Good morning, Gal Adventurers. It is looking to be a beautiful day here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Today is the day of our subscriber meetup. I'm inviting you to come and meet me and Amber Baldwin with Story Chasing. You can come by anytime between 1 and 3 this afternoon. The coordinates are in the show notes and also in the community post that I posted this morning. I do hope you'll come and meet us. I would love to come and shake your hand, give you a hug, whatever. Here is the turn into our camp. We're in the LGBT area because that's where I'm camping. Amber's coming in for the day, just for the meetup. So you're gonna look for the little box over here that has the LGBT on it and the little rainbow spinner flag. If you're coming from main camp, the RTR camp, I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the other side so that you can see that. Alright, so you're just looking for the rainbow spinner. Here's your first major Y. After you turn onto our road, you can see the rainbow flag. You're going to choose the Y to the right. You can actually see the van straight ahead of you there. So come on by between 1 and 3 this afternoon. Anytime, it's an open house. You're going to get to see Amber Baldwin's Heimer Active and TheGalavan. We both have sticker swag, so come on, grab a sticker so that you can show that you're a gal adventurer or a story chaser, and we'll see you between 1 and 3.